Hello guys, welcome again. I hope you're all doing well. Today is 21st of January 2023. We are based in UK and we are doing another update, price update for the Bitcoin, Ethereum, silver and gold. Before we begin, if you haven't been on my channel yet, pop it in where you can find them, so we can find them very interesting movie. The recently one I made is what to invest in recession, how to protect your money before obviously the crisis hit our wallets, because it will hit. Well, it's already did, but I think the real crisis is just about to come. So you might find a few interesting movies. The way I understand inflation, what the inflation is, the easy explanation, and how to make the extra money. You can find something good for yourself. So pop in if you haven't been before, and then let's start. So shall we go with silver and gold first? Yes. So let's check the price for the gold and silver today. Come on, it's thinking slow today. So the price for the gold today is £1,554 and 48 pence, and went down 0.15%, which is basically nothing. Today is Saturday. So you probably, as you know, if you follow me, that because it's a weekend, you won't see any change on here. But within a week time, the price started going down. Within a month, it went up 3.55% in the last month. So basically, gold started going up a little bit, which is the good news for the people who actually, bought the gold, and bad news for the people who are thinking about buying the gold. But if you are thinking about buying the gold, I think it's still good time to buy gold. We're gonna go to Bitcoin in a minute, but when I start doing my movies, the Bitcoin price was below about £15,000. Now it was below £14,000, and actually I was telling you it's a good time to buy Bitcoin. You can find this on my channel, and now Bitcoin is over £18,000. And it started going up. It will go down soon, but it's gonna go up again and go up again. So same with the gold. I think it's a good time to buy gold. If you have some money to invest in, I still think it's a good buy time. It's good time to buy gold. Gold should be much higher than this. In one of my movies, in fact, I'm explaining you. I give you my gold prediction. The gold price prediction, and then I'm explaining you why do I think the gold should be at least on certain level. So if you haven't seen this, pop in on my channel, find my gold prediction, and then you can start from there. And if you find this interesting, obviously click the like and share. So that's the price for the gold today. Let's check the price for the silver. So silver today is £19.33. Within a week time, it wasn't such a big change like it was with the gold. In fact, within a month time, the silver went down, as you can see, minus 2.55%. It's not a big change. It's only like a 0.50. It's like a 51 pence. So it's not a big change. Within 3 months, it went up for £2. So basically, it's boring. Nothing really happened. In the past, we had that big jump. As you can see here. So basically, from July, start to going. You see, that's what I think is manipulated. But you can because it's going up and down. But anyway, you can see you can see the pattern is just started going up anyway. So we'll see what's gonna happen soon. But for me, I think that silver and gold is manipulated. It should be much higher. I think it's a great time still to buy silver. When I was doing updates for the silver and I was telling you guys buy silver, it's a good time to buy silver. You could actually buy silver coin for let's say like, you know, I think it was about £27 for 1 ounce when I was telling you to buy. What we're having today, let's say how much we actually have to pay for 1 ounce of the silver coin. So today for the 1 ounce of the silver coin we need to pay £33.72. That's what you're gonna pay for 1 ounce. That's all included VAT. And by the way, if you are looking for a website where to buy online silver coins or, you know, that kind of stuff, that's the Bullion by Post. That's the website where actually I'm buying my silver or my gold coins for myself for a while now. And again, if you pop in on my channel, I actually did a movie where I was explaining you how to use this website. So if you are thinking to start to buying the silver, see my channel, find the movie and start doing this, because buying the silver and buying the gold coins is in my opinion, it's one of the best ways to protect your wealth from inflation. So to buy the silver coin you need to pay £33.72. Obviously if you're gonna buy more there will be some discount, as you know this already, because if you are watching me from for a while, you should know this by now. So let's find 1 ounce of gold coins. That would be Britannia, the one I invest myself. So for the 1 ounce of silver Britannia you pay £1,679. And if you haven't, you know, if you wasn't watching me before, and I need to add this, always make sure if you're buying the silver or gold coins, you buy them physically, okay? So you actually want something to come into your property and you want to hold this in your hands, because if you don't hold this, you don't own this. Okay, we only invest in you know, physically for silver and gold. So that's the price for the gold. We've been there. So now let's check the price for the Bitcoin. And as you probably know, Bitcoin started going up, okay, for a while now. Come on, I think this needs some update, my computer, because it's thinking slow today. Come on, here we go. So yes, the Bitcoin price for today is £18,751. Okay, so it's going pretty well. It looks like it might be bullish. So here we go. Yeah, it's going up. Yeah, you can see in the last month start to going up. So it's a good news for the people who actually got the Bitcoin. And again, if you've been checking, if you're going to check my my movies, you will see where I was recommend you a Bitcoin a good few £1,000 down away, you know, below of that price. So but I have some good news as well. It's still worth to buy. Of course, we expect probably in February a Bitcoin to go down again a little bit. Then you can buy more. But I personally think if you have money to buy, you buy. Don't buy for all, because obviously, you know, we need to see what's going on, and you might usually invest all in one go. Never. But this is your money, so you're gonna do what you want to do. What we do on that channel is we just checking the prices. So this is not the financial advice, but I wouldn't, if you would have like £10,000, I wouldn't just buy a £10,000 now Bitcoin, you know what I mean, not in one go. But I think this train it's going now. Okay, it started. So if you're thinking about to buy Bitcoin, don't think too much, just start to buying, because you're gonna miss the train which already just started. Okay, if you know what I'm trying to say. Ethereum it's more risky. Today price for Ethereum is £1,341. I think it's good to have at least one Ethereum. It's more risky than Bitcoin, so if you want to invest some money and make more money, obviously you buy Ethereum, but you risk as well in the same time, because obviously Ethereum might be a bad decision. You never know. It's not so sure as Bitcoin. So if you are more risky, buy Ethereum. I got Ethereum myself, few of them, more than one, and I think it's a good invest. But I am ready to lose my money on crypto market. So all of the crypto I have, I know I can lose them, and I can afford to do that. Many people think they can, and when they actually do, they have some big problems. So make sure you can actually lose all of the money which you invest in crypto market. And if you think you might panicking once you're losing them, don't invest. So obviously it looks promising again. I think from now on we're gonna see this more often. I think 2023 and 2024 will be a good time to change our life. Okay, so if you can invest some money and you are afford to lose this money, buy Ethereum and buy Bitcoin. I think once again, and I'm telling you that with the big responsibility, I think 2023 and 2024 might actually change your financial life for better, if you have some plans, and then you need to have some strategy. Okay, don't use too much, don't look through your heart, but just through your mind. So that's it for today, guys. I'm going to see you probably next week, see what's happened with crypto and what happened with Bitcoin and Ethereum. Thank you for having me today. If you enjoyed this, if you find this interesting for yourself, please click the like, share, so we can help more people. So once again, have a good week and see you later. Thank you.